Join us for another Tiki trip back in time. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen room at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, where we're featuring two of the best things in life, pie and a tropical libation. Since you just arrived, you must be thirsty, so let's start with that drink. On today's menu, we have Tonga Punch from 1968's Trader Vic's Pacific Island Cookbook. To make this exotic potion, all you do is combine the juice of 1/2 lime, 1½ ounces of orange juice, 3/4 of an ounce fresh lemon juice, a dash of grenadine, 1/2 ounce curacao, and 2 ounces of light rum in a blender with crushed ice. Serve in a chimney glass with a sprig of mint. Time to make a pie, and this one, Aloha Meringue Pie from Prudence Penny's House of Values tested recipes via the Seattle Post-Intelligencer, is perfect for your next tiki patio party. Prudence Penny was a pseudonym created by the Hearst newspapers, and each of their papers had their own person writing as Prudence Penny. I have no idea which Prudence Penny created this recipe. All I know is that it's delicious. To make it, all you do is combine 4 egg whites, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla and beat until stiff. Gradually add 1 cup of sugar and beat until very stiff. Form into a crust shape in a buttered pie plate and bake at 275 degrees for 1 hour. Once it's cool, combine 4 beaten egg yolks, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon grated lemon peel, a dash of salt, and 2/3 of a cup undrained crushed pineapple in a double boiler over hot water and cook, stirring constantly until it thickens. While that's cooling, combine 1 cup whipping cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/4 cup shredded coconut and beat until stiff. Add your coconut custard to your pie shell and top with whipped cream. Chill for 12 to 24 hours before serving and garnish with more pineapple. Summer is coming and you'll be ready for those guests who can suddenly come over again with these easy, exotic treats. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons. Be sure to join us this weekend for a visit from Cousin Glendora. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.